Okay, here's the look for today. I got a little surprise. I know, you're so surprised. Purples and pinks and fun, hopefully, for kind of dreary Monday. It's a little dreary outside. I'm just gonna head to work today and hopefully have a fantastic day. And yeah, if you want to see how to do this, keep on watching. Thanks. Alright, we are using the Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette today. We are starting with the color Lilac, just all up through the crease. I did speed the video up, as always. Because I take forever to blend, and I don't feel like you should have to deal with that. How's everyone doing? Everything's great. Everyone's living life and loving life, hopefully. It's, what is it, 7:30 in the morning while I'm doing this voiceover? So, you're gonna hear me yawn, I'm sure, multiple times. So this next color is called Fruity. It's brighter, pinkier purple. I know, I'm so scientific. Pinky purple. Blend, blend, blend. I do think this palette blends really well. I did really struggle with getting these colors to blend on this day. So I don't know if it was just me. I don't know if it was the brush that I picked. I don't know if it was the purples themselves. So I haven't had anything else really have a problem blending out. But it was kind of a weird blend situation. I am freezing. Apparently my house is a little bit cold. I guess I should get a sweater. Bleh. Hold on a sec. Let me take these off and get a sweater. Oh, and then we're going to go in with Blackberry right in the outer V, because I think it's a beautiful color. Sorry about that. So we're just blending away. I believe this particular eye look, I only used the Carnival palette. I have a bad, excuse me. I have a very bad habit of adding palettes for colors. I don't know if that's a bad habit or not, because I own it, so I might as well use it. But I know that makes it a little harder to recreate the looks yourselves, if that's ever something you're going for. So all I'm doing here is taking those same Fruity and Lilac colors and reblending the top to get the gradient effect that I want. So there's no other colors being added at this point. So now we're going to go in the inner third of the eyelid and we're going to add Hibiscus, which is a very interesting color. It's muted red. I don't know. I like it though. It's weird. It's almost red, but still kind of pink. I don't know. This is not the time to ask me questions, because it is really, really early for me. One of those days where I just could not sleep. So my brain is doing what it wants, which is kind of a fun adventure, I guess. So now we're going in with the color The Deep. It's just the dark navy from the palette. It's very, very pretty blue. And now I'm going to go in with the color Pink Lily, which is just the brightest pink. I know there are equivalent shades to these in the original Carnival palette. For the most part, you can dupe a lot of the colors from that. I just, so far, have been preferring the colors in the Carnival 3. I do like the Carnival palette a lot. I think they're both amazing. I don't think you need them both. Because they are rather expensive. I got mine on sale. But I like them both. I'm glad to have them both. I just don't think you need them both. So I'm just using that Pink Lily and the Deep to blend that out. Get a better gradient, no solid line hopefully by the end. Also, I've noticed when I talk a lot, I yawn too. So not only is it really early in the morning and I'm yawning like a crazy person, it's because I'm talking to you. It's making me yawn. They're ridiculous. So I'm just going in with the black from the palette. It's called Black Beach, I believe. And we're just blending that in the very, 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 very lowest part of the crease and outer V. And then I'm going to take more of our purples that we started with and brighten those up. So the lilac and the fruity will be used to bring that bright color back. But I couldn't get the depth I wanted with the Blackberry alone. So I ended up needing to use the actual black to get the kind of effect that I wanted to. And we're blending some more, and we're blending some more, and we're blending a little bit more. This was a really fun look. I'm pretty sure that day I got several comments on the brightness. That was the day my car broke and I had to go to the mechanic. I'm gonna go to the mechanic like this. Trust me, they love it. They don't actually have an opinion either way. They just look at you like you're a little crazy. So now we're going in with the color Pearl, and I'm just going right on the inner corner and then just blending that just the tiniest bit over. I'm using a pencil brush. For me, I find a pencil brush puts the color in the right place the best and lets me have that really nice little cute pop of bright right there. If I don't use a pencil brush, it tends to go all over the place and end up in my eye because I have obviously no control. I'm just taking a Browbone highlight now. This one's from Wet n Wild. I lied. I did use a second palette. Sorry. It's just because I didn't want to use white and I didn't want anything shimmery. So just finished it off with the Browbone. And then I'm not 100% sure what's going on right now. Oh, we're going to put the blue, the deep, we're going to put that under our lash line with that same pencil brush we just used. And just blend it down a tiny bit. I don't always do stuff on my lower lash line. Sometimes I think the look needs it, sometimes it doesn't. I felt like this one needed it because it was so bright and it was kind of unfinished looking without it, if you will. Alright, this is our final look. It's very, very bright. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and well, maybe I'll try to do something more neutral tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe. Probably. I don't know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.